Detox your liver in just 3 days. Are you experiencing bloating, flatulence, poor digestion, or a decreased appetite? Do you feel sluggish, tired, or weak all the time? Does your skin appear dull, pale, or yellowish with rashes or breakouts? If so, your liver is in danger, and an immediate detox that is natural and effective is required. Well, you should be surprised to know that 3-day magical formulas to detox your liver completely. Your liver health matters as it regulates more than 500 physiological functions in the body, and ignoring the health of your liver may put your overall health in danger. So, let's know what this 3-day formula is. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash. You are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel, where you can get so much detailed information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise, and natural and holistic disease treatment. In my today's video, I will guide you on how a 3-day liver detox formula can save your liver from severe liver issues. So, let's begin. Before discussing the 3-day liver detox method, let's first understand why the liver is so important to us. Well, as I have already told you that your liver performs over 500 functions like detoxification and filtration of blood, metabolism and energy production, bile secretion and digestion, storage of essential vitamins and minerals, and protein synthesis. All these biochemical and physiological functions help to maintain better immunity and overall health. Now, let's discuss how you can guard this vital organ from any damage. I will tell you the full day schedule to cleanse your liver thoroughly. Let's see what you need to take in the morning of day 1. Begin your day with a lemon and honey water. Take lukewarm water, add honey and a half a teaspoon of lemon juice to it. Drink this on an empty stomach. It's a super detox drink as it flushes out toxins, stimulates bile production, and alkalizes the body. Now, let's come to the breakfast. Take green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, broccoli, and cabbage. Cook them for 5 minutes on low flame with a little bit of olive oil and a little pink salt over them. They are packed with chlorophyll to remove toxins, support liver enzyme function, and reduce inflammation. Now, let's know what you need to take post breakfast. I mean, not just your breakfast, but almost 2 hours later. A salad full of antioxidants and vitamins is essentially good for your liver health as it naturally detoxifies the liver and removes toxin. You can take a salad of cucumber, beetroot, carrot, chopped cilantro over it. Sprinkle with pink salt and squeeze half a lemon over it. Add taste and benefit. Alright, so now we have lunchtime. Let's discuss what you should eat for lunch. You can have mixed veg quinoa for lunch. Prepare this dish with onion, garlic, tomato, lemon, cilantro, turmeric, pink salt, and cumin. Add chopped green veggies into it for more health benefits. This is a super delicious lunch for liver detox as it has all essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids. You can also have 2 boiled white eggs. Increase the flavor and benefit of your lunch with herbal drink like chamomile tea, which is an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It will be great to replace your evening snacks with fruit salad containing pomegranates, apples, papayas, and berries like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. Now, the last is your dinner. It is advised to take a light meal at dinner as it gets easily digested and does not stress your liver to work more. You can have some boiled brown rice with some sorted veggies. You may also have black coffee after your dinner to protect your liver cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. Well, this is a full day liver detox routine to save your liver from any damage. You just need to follow the same routine for 3 days subsequently and see the significant improvement in your skin and overall health. Well, this is all about how you can take a proactive step to guard your liver. If you or your loved one has any kind of liver complaints, be it fatty liver, cirrhosis, or liver inflammation, then don't worry. Bharat Homeopathy has a holistic and natural system of medicine that treat the disease without any side effects. Unlike modern medicine, which focus on surgery, steroids, and potent drugs, Bharat Homeopathy medicines come in small, tiny globules dipped in potentized alcohol-based medicine. These act directly on the root cause of the disease and bring overall improvement in the condition. At Bharat Homeopathy, we are a team of experienced liver specialists who have been treating liver patients for many years. We have a long clinical expertise in diagnosing various liver disease and providing personalized treatment suited to each patient's needs. Don't worry about your liver problems. We are here to take care of you and help you get over your liver issues as soon as possible. Thank you so much and have a great day.